Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to turn on the airplane mode on your iPhone. So here I use iPhone XR for my device to turn on the airplane mode. You can just go into the several way. There will be a two ways. The first way, you just need to drag or slide down this side. Okay, let's do it. We just need to slide down. Okay, and after that you just need to click this plane symbol to activate the plane mode. Okay, that's the first way. And for the second way, you just need to go into the settings, and after that you just need to simply click the button of the airplane mode. If it is in a green color, means that it's in active mode, but if it's in a gray color, means that it is in off mode. That's all the way how to turn on the airplane mode on the iPhone. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful way, guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.